In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about the Luna Ultra detachable touchscreen remote. With it, you can control the gimbal and preview your shots from a distance, making vlogs, selfies, assisted shots, and group photos easier to capture. Remote control. Press and hold the buttons on both sides, then gently pull to detach the remote. Once removed, the touchscreen remote can control the gimbal while retaining full touchscreen and button functionality, including adjusting gimbal angles, zooming, tracking, and recording. A built-in microphone is located on the top of the remote, allowing you to record audio remotely without worrying about audio pickup. Suggested shooting scenarios. When filming daily vlogs, want to try a fresh perspective? Use Luna with the 1/4 inch thread handle and its built-in tripod. Place it on any flat surface, step back a few paces, and use the screen remote for long-distance framing and remote shooting. When traveling solo, you can use the screen remote to preview your shot from a distance and adjust your composition before recording. Even on your own, you can pull off all kinds of advanced transitions. Long-distance shooting is just as easy to manage. Want full control of the frame with ease? Let a companion hold the camera while you monitor and control your shot in real time. When taking group photos, place the camera on a stable surface 3 to 5 meters away and get into position. Check the screen remote to make sure everyone is in frame, the lighting looks good, and the shot is in focus, then capture the moment with confidence. Thanks for watching the Luna Ultra Detachable Touchscreen Remote Guide. Stay tuned for more tutorials from us. See you next time!